As midday prayers resound in Ramallah, Bashir is on the cusp of securing his first paid work in months, fitting insulation on this tower block. He's one of 160,000 Palestinian workers barred from entering Israel ever since the 7th of October massacre. To feed their 5 children, his wife has sold her jewelry, but it's not enough.
How
am I going to pay my electricity bill? I have to pay for internet too. That's 160 shekels. And then there's the phone bill. About 90% of the men here have lost their jobs. No one's working. All those who used to cross into Israel are just at home. No one bothers about us, not the unions, not our government. No one cares.
Construction workers brought home on average some $2,000 a month, essential for the West Bank's economy and the Palestinian Authority's budget.
Israel is in large part responsible for this situation. Israel blocked all the workers after the war of the 7th of October. Our workers had valid work permits and the Israeli ministry cancelled them all in one go. They should pay the workers compensation.
With no more day labourers crossing, Israel's building sites have all but ground to a halt. In Beit Shemesh, Israel's fastest growing city, we visit a development usually manned by 150 workers. Only 5 from East Jerusalem have dared to come back.
They're scared of us and we're scared of them.
He means they're scared to come here because they're afraid of Jews attacking them. And we're scared of them, worried they'll do something to us. There is a mutual fear for a lot of people. The trust has been broken.
This constructor is paying his blocked Palestinian workers half wages so they can stay afloat, and warns the status quo could lead to catastrophe and radicalization.
We have to bring the workers back into work now. We need them, and we have a duty to do it.
Under pressure from the far right not to let the Palestinians back in, the Netanyahu government is instead speeding up programs to bring in migrant workers, notably from India.
We are already in India examining them. We are thinking right now of building specific caravan or some kind of caravan sites for them. I hope we'll get the approval from the government to do that very fast, because we will start working on it now.
The Israeli construction sector is worth billions, second only in importance here to high tech. Israeli authorities are under pressure to build fast. Its population is booming, and birth rates here are the fastest of any developed country in the world.